Malcolm. Malcolm. What are you doing? Eh? We're all sorting tickets out, mate. What are you going to do then? Eh?
Fuck all.
Fuck all, we're just going to sit there and do nothing. You look a fucking state, Malcolm. Your mum wouldn't be proud of you, would she? Eh? What you got to say for yourself, Malcolm? Nothing. Well, nothing, it's something, isn't it? It means you've actually spoken. You're a mess, Malcolm. You are a disgrace. Malcolm Sawyer, you fucking dodgy cunt. Look at the state of that cunt. Malcolm, get your ass up.